Hey everyone, need help with your Instagram account? Locked out, hacked, or something's not working? Here is the newest and fastest way to reach Instagram support in 2025. Open the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap the three lines on the top right, then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down till you find the option for help. Then we have to click on this. After it turns into a new page, tap on report a problem, and there you can see it says go back to where you saw the problem and shake your phone. So if you just go back where your issue is happening and shake your phone, it will always help. Also, if you turn off this option, you can just report a problem as you wish. If you go there again and turn on the shake your phone option, all you need to do is go back to where is your issue, then just shake your phone till this pops up. Report a technical problem. You just need to click on report a problem. It will take you to another page, and then you can proceed what you want to report. And the page you have shaken has been taken already a screenshot, so you just need to mark the part you want to report about, or you can also use the screenshot button to take a screenshot of this. I'm taking screenshot of this screen and it's already added, as you see. You can also cancel it from the top bar, and that's it. You can report your issue as it says please describe your situation, and then you just need to send. They will contact you on your email or phone in a few days. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.